Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to move your body and have some fun? Today, we're going on an incredible interactive dancing adventure together. Forget just watching me dance. You're going to be my co-star. I've prepared a series of awesome dance challenges, and your job is to follow along, add your own flair, and show me what you've got. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned pro or have to left feet. The only rule here is to have a blast and let loose. So, clear some space in your room, put on your most comfortable shoes, and let's get this party started. First up, we're diving into the world of hip-hop with a classic move, the wave. It looks tricky, but it's all about smooth, connected movements. Let's break it down. Start with your right hand. Imagine a little spark of energy starting at your fingertips. Now, let that energy flow through your fingers, down your hand, into your wrist, up your forearm, to your elbow, then your shoulder. See that? It's like a wave rippling through your arm. Now, let's pass it across your chest to your left shoulder, down your left arm, and out through your left fingertips. Got it? Let's try it together, slowly. Right fingertips, wrist, elbow, shoulder, chest, left shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingertips. Awesome! Now, let's speed it up a bit, and wave, and wave. Feel the rhythm. You can make it small and sharp or big and flowy. Try it with me to the beat. You're doing great. Alright, you've mastered the wave. Now, let's travel back in time to the groovy era of disco. Get ready for the point. It's simple but so much fun. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and get a little bounce in your knees. The key is to feel the funky beat. Now, we're going to point, but not just any point. It's a two-part move. You point up to the sky with your right index finger, then bring it down and point to the floor, up and down. Let's add the other hand. While your right hand goes up, your left hand goes down to your hip, then switch. Left hand points up, right hand to your hip. Now let's put it all together with the beat. Point up, point down, switch, up, down, switch. Don't forget to add a little head nod and a smile. Yeah, that's the vibe. Keep that energy up because we're just getting started. Feeling that disco fever? Fantastic. Now, let's switch gears and bring some Latin fire with a basic salsa step. This one is all about the hips. We're going to do a simple forward and back basic. Start with your feet together. On the count of 1, step forward with your left foot. On 2, shift your weight back onto your right foot. And on 3, bring your left foot back to the starting position. 1, 2, 3. Now for the second half. On 5, step back with your right foot. On 6, shift your weight forward onto your left foot. And on 7, bring your right foot back to the start. 5, 6, 7. The counts 4 and 8 are pauses. Let's try it together. Forward left, rock back, together. Back right, rock forward, together. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Now, let's add those hips. Let your hips sway naturally with the steps. Don't be stiff. Let the music move you. The more you relax, the better it will look. You're a natural. Okay, time for our final challenge. And this one is all about your creativity. We're doing a freestyle circle. I'm going to put on a super upbeat track, and our goal is to just let go and dance however the music makes us feel. There are no right or wrong moves here. You can do the wave, the disco point, the salsa step, or invent something completely new. Jump, spin, wiggle, slide, anything goes. I'll start us off with a few moves to get the energy flowing, but then it's your turn. I want you to film your freestyle moment and share it with me using the hashtag on the screen. Let's create a huge virtual dance party. Are you ready? Let the music play. Go for it. Express yourself. Show the world your unique style. This is your moment to shine. Wow, that was absolutely amazing. You all crushed it today. I'm so impressed with your energy and willingness to jump in and try every move. Remember, dancing is a journey, not a destination. The most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process of moving your body and expressing yourself. Thank you so much for joining me on this interactive dance adventure. I had a blast, and I hope you did too. Don't forget to share your freestyle videos. I can't wait to see them. If you had fun today, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep dancing. Bye.